A couple of key stocks to look out for as well. As we said, the steel stocks have been doing well, and a couple of these banks perhaps could come back in a big way. So HDFC Bank, which has been a huge laggard in this month itself, HDFC Bank is down 5%. Let's see if there is any pullback on these names. Okay, here's the first tick on the index now. Not bad actually, 60 points higher on the Nifty. The Sensex is up about 200 odd points. It's a decent start. Let's see whether we build on to our gains or not. The Bank Nifty is up about 120 points and the advance decline ratio is well in favor of the advances as we speak. The big gainers this morning are in the metal space. JSW Steel is up about 0.7%. You have HCL Tech, UPL, Tata Motors, ICICI Bank that are all trending in the green right now. And a couple of these other names like L&T. L&T has actually been a big mover this year. L&T is up almost about 30-odd%, so looking pretty smart over there. Apart from that, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj, Finserv, Hindalco are a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green. What's not looking good is Reliance, which in any case has been a drag for the market lately. So Reliance is down about 0.3%. Tata Consumer Products, Axis Bank, Bharti Airtel and Apollo Hospitals are a couple of other stocks that are in the red right now. But otherwise, it's a decent market, you'd have to say, just consolidating around that 19,300 mark. A lot of stocks in the broader markets are hitting fresh highs, whether it's RailTel, Federal Bank, Gokuldas Exports, more on that later. Bharat Forge, Arvind, Precision Camshafts, these are stocks that are at fresh 52-week highs. So clearly, I mean, all the action continues to be in the broader market.
Absolutely, Sonia. You know, the screen is looking quite good, but one stock that's under some pressure is APL Apollo Tubes. That's down close to around 3% odd because the promoter entity will sell close to around 1% stake in the company. So that explains why that is a little bit under pressure. Pyramid Enterprises pulling back a little bit, down close to around 2.5%. Union Bank as well appears it's down close to around 6%. We'll try to check more on that. But that one, in fact, is one of the top losers on the F&O counters itself. On the flip side, you have a few names that are doing quite well. Genus Power, second day running, you know, is just a minute into trading session, but it's locked in upper circuit. It's up close to around 5% approximately. India Cements as well has opened up high with a gain of close to around 2%. But the clear stock of the morning, I think, is Gokuldas Exports. The acquisition will add nearly, just going by their last year's numbers, will add 30% to the revenues and 30% to the profitability as well. The stock has already run up close to around 15%, but the valuation-wise, they've got it spot on. And also, since it's headquartered in Dubai, maybe they'll get some kind of a benefit of lower taxes as well. Explain why that stock is up 6%. Prashant, what else?
Well, Nigel, it's a good-looking screen. Like yesterday, we're up 40 now. So 19,340 is where we're at. Market breadth is extremely positive. I think 2:1 in favor of advances. And as you pointed out, Gokuldas, of course, is the star mover. The high today is 674. It's come off about 20 rupees after start, but that remains by far the biggest mover with volumes. Patel Engineering is another one, which is up 5%. Stocks at about nearly 60. You know, these smaller names, which Anuj was also pointing out, Jayaprakash Associates and Suzlon, and there's stuff happening with each of these names, but they're all the moves are all coming up together. JP is up another 2%. There was a big mover yesterday. Actually, it went up 10 Friday. It went up, I think, 10% yesterday. And it's starting about 2% higher right now. Volumes are there, so that's why I'm mentioning it. RailTel is up about 2%. Suzlon has had a good week and good month so far. It's another 4% higher. Gone up very fast to almost 25 rupee levels now. SJVN is up about 3.5%, 63. So yeah, I mean that's basically what we're seeing. Jamna Auto is another one which is up, but Genus Power, look at that one, 5% again this morning after the 10% move that we saw yesterday. So very strong gains. APL Apollo, Geofin is down 1.6%, 208 or so on Geofin. Reliance is down another 0.75%. I think the stock ended about 1% lower yesterday. Piramal, there was an analyst meet yesterday, investor day actually, 2% lower, 1,083 on Piramal Enterprises. That's a financial services business. Indiabulls Housing spiked yesterday. It's pulling back a little bit. And GMDC, some of the big movers. Atul Auto has had I think it's up 25% in the last few days. It's down about 3.5%. So some pullback there coming through. So that's broadly the lay of the land. 30 points higher is what we have on the Nifty so far. Saurabh Mukherjee has